Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drone for beginners available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best drone for beginners, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. TL12 Drone 1080p HD Camera 2.4G. After pressing this function, stretch out the air gesture to the camera to take a photo, and hold your fist to record a video. Press this button to draw a trajectory on the screen, and the drone will fly according to the trajectory. Press this button, keep the phone level, and control the drone forward, backward, left, and right through the center of gravity. 3 adjustable speeds. Adjust the speed according to the flight conditions. When there is danger, press this button, and the drone will stop flying directly. The drone also features 50x zoom, mirror flip, MV, fine tuning function, headless mode, 1 key return, 3D. Number 2. For Xiaomi V168 Drone 8K. With foldable arms, compact and easy to carry. GPS positioning mode can provide more accurate flight. With 5G Wi-Fi function, can connect to APK system to take photos, videos and transmit images in real time through mobile phone camera. 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance can reach 3000 m. 5G Wi-Fi 4K HD, 5G Wi-Fi 6K HD, 5G Wi-Fi 8K HD camera can provide various HD images and videos. With altitude hold mode function to provide stable flight. Orbital movement will allow the aircraft to fly in circles, providing cooler camera angles. Waypoint flight mode, simply draw a route on screen with the helicopter as the given path. Flight time of up to 22-25 minutes. No need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flight. One touch return function. You can easily find your way home. One touch takeoff/landing. One button auto takeoff or landing. The drone will automatically take off or return to the takeoff position. With low power protection over current protection, interference immunity using 2.4 GHz technology. 4 channels, can fly up, down, forward, backward, left and right. 6-axis gyroscope for more stable flight and easier control. It has 3 flight speed switch levels to make flying more fun. The quadrotor fuselage is made of strong, high-strength engineering plastic, lightweight and durable. Number 3. 2024 E88Pro RC Drone 4K. With foldable arms, small size, easy to carry. With altitude hold mode function provides stable flight. With Wi-Fi function can be connected APK system to take pictures, video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. There have 2 cameras can be choose. With 1080p or 4K wide-angle camera give wide high-definition pictures and video. With headless mode, no need to adjust the position of aircraft before flying. With 1 key to return function makes it easily to find the way home. Trajectory flight. Draw a flyway on the screen, and the drone would conduct an autonomous flight along the designated way. 2.4 GHz technology adopted for anti-interference. 4-channel which can do ascend, descend, forward, backward, left side would fly, right side would fly and rolling 360 degrees. 6 ASI's gyro which can have more stable flying and be easy to control. Number 4. NBD GPS Drone with 4K. With 3-axis mechanical gimbal and electronic 4K is image stabilization camera. The photos you take are more stable. 5G transmission and 120 degrees motorized lens allow you to view images and videos from previously unimaginable angles. The drone has an integrated TF card slot, which can hold memory cards up to 32 GB. We offer a 32 GB TF card. The drone is equipped with GPS satellite signals. If the battery is low, out of control or without signal, the plane will automatically return to the starting point, so there is no need to worry about losing the drone. Multiple intelligent flight modes allow the drone to fly automatically. These intelligent flight modes include follow mode, trajectory flight and avoid flight. The plane can follow you automatically by flying in a specific circle or around a specified point. Meanwhile, all you can do is use your creativity freely. Two batteries can reach about 50 minutes of flight per charge. The brushless motor has low power consumption and works very well. Thanks to the foldable design and custom shell, the drone can be easily transported anywhere. To provide you with personalized customer service, you don't have to worry about using drones. We have professional drone customer service that will patiently teach you how to transform from a beginner drone to an unmanned aerial vehicle. Professional slot player. If you are not satisfied with the product, we unconditionally accept your return, so that your purchase is guaranteed. Number 5. Autel Robotics Evo Nano Plus Camera Drone. 08 Evo Vertical Bar Evolution Digital Evo Pro Vertical Bar 50MP camera with RIBE color filter array captures stunning 50MP photos with the RIBE color filter array, ensuring vibrant, true-to-life colors. Navigate safely with 3-way obstacle avoidance, reducing the risk of collisions. Stream footage over 10 kilometers with the Skylink video transmission system, maintaining crisp visuals. Fly with confidence in strong winds, thanks to the drone's robust level 5 wind resistance. 4K/30 FPS HDR video recording shoots cinematic 4K/30 FPS HDR videos with advanced noise reduction for exceptional clarity. Evo Nano Plus is packed to 1.28-inch 0.8-inch CMOS sensor capable of 50MP photos. A RIBE color filter array design with a large aperture of f/1.9 offers superior noise reduction capabilities and the power to effortlessly produce quality images in low light conditions. Track fast-moving subjects with incredible precision through PDAF plus CDAF autofocus system. Squeeze rich detail from shadows and highlights no matter how extreme the lighting conditions using HDR mode, which rapidly snaps several photos at different exposures so they can be stitched together in post-production.